Well, since I'm not on a network with this, I don't need this login screen. So the easy way to disable this is to do the following. Once you've gone into control panel, you look for network, right click it, click open. Change primary network login to Windows logon, click OK, and the system will reboot. The system has now rebooted. As you can see, it never asked me to log in anymore. I'm going to go ahead and install the drivers now, and then I'll be back to install the updates and stuff. It won't let you run Windows Update until you update the system to IE6. Now, Windows 98 comes with IE5, and when you navigate to the IE6 website, it crashes it. So you'll have to download it on another system first, or Google it and find the exe directly. Let's check for updates. It does it a lot quicker than XP does. Funny enough. There's not too bad, is it? Hey, can we install anything else, or are these separately? Well, we can install that. We can install that. We can install that. And that. And that. And that. This I'm not interested in. Or them. It's a lot more customizable though, isn't it? So Windows 98 is an advantage. I'm installing all the updates so the system is at least a little bit secure. I'll put a free AV on there anyway just to see if we still can. I'll pause the video while these are downloading. Well, all the updates are installed, so the system's as updated as it's going to get from the official sources. I found we've got a quick and responsive system so far, and it's also more customizable than newer versions of Windows. Now, obviously, this isn't a reason to go, oh, let's all switch to Windows 98, because there's really it does lack a heck of a lot now, but it is pretty customizable. I'll give it that. And also, let's sort out this font smoothing. And switch that on. Oh yeah, that's awesome. Right, I'm going to install Avast now. Now I don't need an antivirus on here, but I'm just installing one to prove a point, to see if we can still have a a nice secure system. I'm just going to ignore everything like that because I'm not installing any additional components. Right, we'll get that up and running now. They're up. Their download servers are slow. Well, let's see what's going to happen with this. Well, it installs. Question is it going to work on such an old system? Right, let's restart. I've had to restart the system quite a bit now. I had to do it a few times during the update process as well. It's getting quite annoying really. Nice stable sound there. Oh well. Let's get rid of the quick launch bar. never really used it. Oh, Avast is running. Yeah, I don't need that. Just going to free up some resources here. And also I'm going to turn off the stupid virus database has been upgraded sound that you get. This thing.
Virus database has been updated.
Really annoying. Well, now we've got a reasonably secure system going. Demo. I'm not going to get a license key just to use this on a temporary system. It's running though, or it appears to be at the moment anyway. So now we've got a reasonably secure system. That's nice. We'll try running some programs in a minute, you know, everyday stuff, and see what we can run and what we can't do on here. Oh, there you go, Avast works. Appears to be working. Yeah, it's working just fine. I'd just like to mention here, look how big the install size is. And we've got, you know, the antivirus and that running. It's amazing. 815 megabytes. The whole OS and a few programs plus all the updates. I'm going to install some programs now. You know, everyday stuff like a newer browser, instant messaging program, IRC, an Office suite, you know, stuff like that. The latest version of Opera works on Windows 98 just fine, and when you install Flash, YouTube works perfectly as well, as you can see here. High quality mode. Yep, that's working. Now shall we give full screen mode a try? Not a problem. It's working just fine. It's really impressive actually, considering how old the operating system is as well. And you've still got software like this that's still supported. It's amazing really how they can do it. Well, that's good anyway. So at least we can watch YouTube on Windows 98 and use a nice up-to-date browser. This is the latest version of Opera. See? 10.01 Windows 98. I'll have to get Java on there next. See? Which reminds me, oh, I put the Vista background on here just to lighten things up a bit. 512 meg of RAM. I was going to allocate a gigabyte, but then I would have had to do more tweaking, so I left it.